The tiger who came to tea. Once there was a little girl called Sophie, and she was having tea with her mummy in the kitchen. Suddenly, there was a knock at the door. Sophie's mummy said, "I wonder who that could be. It can't be the milkman because he came this morning, and it can't be the boy from the grocer because he comes every day and he's already been. And it can't be Daddy because he's got his keys. We better open the door and see." Sophie opened the door and there was a big, furry, stripy tiger. The tiger said, "Excuse me, but I'm very hungry. Do you think I could have tea with you?" Sophie's mummy said, "Of course, come in." So the tiger came into the kitchen and sat down at the table. Sophie's mummy said, "Would you like a sandwich?" But the tiger didn't just take one sandwich. He took all the sandwiches on the plate and swallowed them up with one big gulp. And he still looked hungry. So Sophie passed him the buns. But again, the tiger didn't just eat one bun. He ate all of the buns on the dish. And then he ate all of the biscuits and all of the cake until there was nothing left on the table. So Sophie's mummy said, "Would you like a drink?" And the tiger drank all of the milk in the milk jug and all of the tea in the teapot. And then he looked around the kitchen to see what else he could find. Then he ate all of the supper in the saucepans and all of the food in the fridge. And all of the packets and the tins in the cupboard. And he drank all of the milk and all of the orange juice and all of Daddy's beer and all of the water in the tap. Then he said, "Thank you for my nice tea. I think I better go now. Bye-bye." And he went. Sophie's mummy said, "I don't know what to do. I've got nothing for Daddy's supper. The tiger has eaten it all." And Sophie found that she couldn't have her bath because the tiger had drank all the water in the tap. Just then, Sophie's daddy came home. So Sophie and her mummy told him what had happened and how the tiger had eaten all of the food and drank all of the drink. And Sophie's daddy said, "I know what we'll do. I've got a very good idea. We'll put on our coats and go to the cafe." So they all went out in the dark and all the street lights were lit and all the cars had their lights on and they walked down the road to the cafe. And they had a lovely dinner with sausages, chips and ice cream for pudding. In the morning, Sophie and her mummy went shopping and they bought lots more things to eat. They also bought a big tin of tiger food, just in case the tiger should come again. But he never did.